Okay, look. I've reviewed a lot of robot vacuums on this channel. Round ones, flat ones, loud ones that need their own skyscraper-sized docking station. You name it. But today, I want you to meet a little machine that refuses to play by those rules. This is Matic, and calling it a robot vacuum honestly feels like an insult. This thing behaves like a tiny AI housekeeper that just happens to clean floors. The first time I powered it on, it didn't do the usual spinning in circles trying to figure out where it is routine. Nope. Matic literally looked around my home, like a person would, and started moving with this creepy smooth confidence. And right away you notice something different. It doesn't poke, bump, or guess. It recognizes your shoes. It understands that's a rug edge, not a cliff. It processes your living room visually, not with random sensors praying for the best. Why? Because this little box is running on NVIDIA's Jetson Orin chip, the same kind of silicon powering high-end robotics and AI devices. So, yes, your vacuum is smarter than half the gadgets sitting in your house right now. And the mapping, oh man, the mapping. I'm used to those blurry overhead floor plans that look like they were drawn by someone who forgot their glasses. But Matic generates this photorealistic 3D rendering of your home that's almost unsettling. Not just the floors, it sees furniture, objects, even things a few feet off the ground. There's even a freaking airplane mode view where you can fly through your house like you're in a video game. I'm telling you, you will open the app just to look at it for fun. Now here's something wild. Matic doesn't just make a map, it remembers it. Most robot vacuums use relative mapping. They only know where they are by comparing walls to other walls, which is why they get confused if you move a chair or start from another room. Matic uses something called long-term SLAM, basically an absolute memory of your home. Just like how a human can walk into your kitchen, even if they entered from the backyard. Matic never gets lost. Ever. But let's get to the other thing people hate about robot vacuums, the mess. The nasty bin, the hair-tangled roller that looks like it's wearing a wig, the dirty water tank you have to dump into your sink like you're disposing of toxic waste. Matic fixes all of that. And I mean all of it. It has a smooth brush roll that doesn't tangle. Its side brush cleans walls, then folds itself away like, all right, job done. The mop uses a continuous flow of fresh water, so every pass is like the first pass. No swamp water being dragged around your home. But the star of the show, the HEPA waste bag. Listen, whoever designed this bag deserves a trophy. It has diaper salts inside, yes, diaper salts, so it can hold wet and dry messes without turning into a biology experiment. It's clear, so you know when it's full. It's HEPA filtered, so you don't have to separately replace filters on the vacuum. And most importantly, you never have to touch anything gross. You just pull out the sealed pouch and toss it. Done. Honestly, it makes every other self-emptying system look primitive. And the best part? This thing is quiet. Like standard dishwasher. Quiet. I've had nights where Matic is cleaning while I'm asleep, and I only realize it happened because I wake up to floors so clean, it looks like my house respawned overnight. And look, I don't call tech game-changing unless I mean it. In fact, I basically never say that. But Matic really does feel like the first robot vacuum designed around actual human behavior, not marketing buzzwords. It doesn't try to impress you with suction numbers the size of phone model names. It just works. It navigates like a person, cleans like it has common sense, and stays out of your way while doing it. So yeah, meet Matic, the robot vacuum that's less like a gadget and more like that one reliable housekeeper who quietly fixes your home while you live your life. If this is where cleaning tech is headed, I'm completely on board. If you want me to test it against a messy room challenge, drop a comment below. I already know exactly which room in my house is volunteering as tribute.